16-week retirement income boot camp turns you into an options trading machine that can print safe profits out of the stock and bond market. Here's what you'll get when you join. Every Tuesday at 1 Eastern, join a 2-hour live interactive webinar where Jason, that's me, whips your financial education into shape. The goal is to ensure you gain the skills, confidence, and knowledge you'll need in retirement to generate passive income using the options market. The entire course repeats itself 3 times a year, and you'll get unlimited access to the boot camp over and over and over again for the rest of your life. Take the boot camp an unlimited amount of times until you have completely mastered the materials, and over the course of time, see how we change our approach based on the market cycle and key risks. All webinars are recorded and published in a private membership area so that you can review past modules as often as you like. This means you can jump into the boot camp at any time, study up on past issues to get caught up, then jump right into the current module, no delay. Every Monday at 1 p.m. Eastern, join a 2-hour Q&A webinar, which is only available to bootcamp members. These Q&A webinars are dedicated to answering your questions and ensuring all boot campers make it to the finish line as fast as possible. 3 times a year, you have the option to fly out to Albuquerque, New Mexico, and trade live with our team for 2 days. Come fly out for a live in-person trading experience where we provide an intimate trading experience and watch over your shoulder as you trade. What you'll learn during the 16-week boot camp. Week 1, the big picture. Why you only need 4 ETFs for the rest of your life. The only ETFs you'll need are the SPY, TLT, GDX, and EEM. You'll learn how to safely generate safe income using options. My top Twitter, YouTube, and news sites for the big picture macro view. These analysts will make your life easy. Take-home tests sent via email and graded back, plus an email cheat sheet of Week 1 resources. Week 2, how to use interactive brokers to place our trades. They only cost $1 a trade. It's a very good deal. Plus, they have Forex. Why interactive brokers is the best broker bar none. How to buy and sell stocks or ETFs. How to open and close short call options. How to close and open long put options. How to short the Chinese currency from interactive brokers. Take-home tests sent via email and graded back. Email cheat sheet of Week 2 resources. Week 3, call options. Why we mostly sell call options. An interactive lecture on call option basics. How we use call options in our strategy. Live testing and quizzing of audience. Take-home tests sent via email and graded back. Email cheat sheet of Week 3 resources. Week 4, more call options. Let's dive deeper into call options. In the money versus out the money versus at the money. Long versus short. When and why. Live testing and quizzing of audience. Again, think of tennis practice. We're going to grind this into your head so deeply that you'll never forget the materials. Every week there's a cheat sheet and a test. Week 5, put options. Why we mostly buy put options. Interactive lecture on put option basics. How we use put options in our strategy. Test, graded back, cheat sheet. Week 6, deeper dive into put options. In the money, out of the money, and at the money. Long versus short. When and why. Test, graded back, resource sheet. Week 7, option callers. Now we're going to combine put options and call options together to surround and protect our underlying asset. That would be our SPY ETF and our TLT ETF primarily. Why we use tight option callers for a flat move, loose option callers for an upward move. Live testing, quizzing of audience, you get the point. Week 8, upside down option callers. This is where we use an in-the-money option caller for down moves in the underlying asset. Profit when the SPY or TLT travels down by applying an upside down option caller. Week 9, how to safely get your hands on cryptocurrencies. We're recommending a 1% position in Bitcoin and a 1% position in Ethereum currently, but I don't like Coinbase or Binance or any of those. I like Robinhood because it takes the security feature completely out and the setup is ultra fast. We'll also take a deeper look at the crypto landscape, which we might own after Bitcoin and Ethereum have a considerable rally. Week 10, how to use a spreadsheet to organize your portfolio. We provide you with the same portfolio that you've seen in all of our videos. It's extremely professional and it makes your life so easy to track your monthly return, your total return, and break it down per asset you're holding. The SPY and the TLT are our two big positions. We're also going to learn how to use your computer, navigate your computer in Google Drive, optimizing your Google Chromebook bookmarks and auto-loading settings. Brief overview of the portfolio tabs and another test. How to use Spreadsheet 2. By this week, we're going to be inputting your real-life trades and keeping track of your results. Week 3, we're going to continue doing this. So 2 full weeks of filling out your spreadsheet together, practicing the art of rebalancing, depositing, withdrawing your funds in and out of the account for income use. Week 13, what to do during a financial crisis. Why I expect at first it will be an equities crash, then a bond crash, and then gold. How to rotate into these ETFs based on what's crashing. This is where we put a little bit of our portfolio into a buy and hold strategy and take advantage of leveraged ETFs, like the 3 times bearish Chinese ETF, Yang, SQQQ, SDAO, TBF, SJB. We've got all sorts of inverse ETFs we can buy and hold easily to short the stock market, the treasury market, the high yield corporate debt market, the gold mining ETF. Week 14, what should you buy after a financial crisis? SPY, emerging markets, TLT still work great, but there's some similar ETFs on steroids. We're talking about the QQQ, EEM, EWJ, VGK, ASEA, AGG, LQD, HYG, EMB, PCY. That gives you a global portfolio of bonds, stocks. Week 15, advanced options, credit and debit spreads, bull put spread, bull call spread, bear put spread, bear call spread. Week 16, writing put options. What is a naked put option? How you can get stocks you want at a discount doing it, why we don't use it, but how you could. And that's a wrap. This course repeats itself every 16 weeks, and it's designed not to become some sort of options wizard, but just to specifically learn how to have a 50-50 stock bond portfolio that's protected with put options on the downside and generates income from selling call options up above. So what are you waiting for? Register right now.